Still on factorization, we are asked to factorize 3x minus 2dy plus 3y minus 2dx. Group the terms together. Like I said, 3x and 3y, you can bring them together. So you have 3x plus 3y. Then you can also bring minus 2dx and minus 2dy together. Then you can pair. So after pairing, then you can factorize. Factorizing this, 3 is a common factor there. So you have 3x plus y. Go to the other bracket. 2d is a common word, factor. So you have 2d, open the bracket, you have x. As a result of plusity, we have minus times minus, that will give us plus what? Plus y. So you can see that what we have in the first bracket is what we have in the second bracket. So you pick one and write x plus y, then combine 3 minus 2d. I hope you understand this. So this is from the beginning of the class where we factorize by grouping. So let's take a look at another example. You have 9x squared minus 36xy. If you look at this question, you have 9x squared minus 36y squared. 9 is common because 9 can divide itself and it can divide 36. So we bring out 9. So I have x squared minus 4. Minus 4y squared. Minus 4y squared. How did I get that? Because 9 times 4 will give you 36. So now I have to factorize further to get my final answer because the question says you should factorize. So factorizing further, I have x squared minus 2 squared y squared. So we have 9 into bracket x squared minus, I express 4 as an exponent here, 2 raised to power 2 y squared. So that I can have 9 into bracket. This is perfect squares or difference of 2 squares. So you have 9 into bracket x minus 2y and you have x plus 2y. How did we get this? As a result of the difference of 2 squares. 2 squared here, then you have a difference which is the subtraction sign. So 2 squared, you have one of the 2 here, you have one of the 2 here. You have y squared, you have one of the y here, you have one of the y here, and you have x squared here, you have one of the x here, one of the x here. That is your final answer. Let's take a look at one more example, which is more like example 3. We have to factorize 4x squared minus 100. So you have 4, bring the common factor, bring it out, and you have x squared minus what? 25, because 25 times 100 times 5, 4 rather, will give you 100. Can you see that? So you factorize that, then you go further by saying 4x squared. 25 means 5 raised to power 2. So just like we have in example 3, this is difference of 2 squares. So what do you do here? You use the principle of difference of 2 squares by saying 4, then you write x minus 5 and you have x plus 5. That will be your final result. So far so good. We've learned how to factorize using perfect squares and how to factorize by grouping. By grouping, you collect the like terms together and you simplify. Then by factorization using perfect squares, you use difference of 2 squares, then you simplify. Solve more questions at home. Goodbye.